friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window and welcome to our Tahoe quilt along. We are making diamond number 2. I'm so excited for you guys. So right now, you probably already know the routine. You refer to the basic instructions video to create your strip panels. Did you do that? I hope you did. For our block number 2, we created strip panels. This time, I noticed it's something new and exciting. We're gonna be cutting our strip panel not to 1.5 but 2.5 inch width. And I just want to review that with you. So notice this. You're gonna place your ruler right over. I started by trimming. I already cut my units, but I just want to remind you that some of the units gonna be wider. In this case, we need a 2.5 inch unit right there. I cut it and now I have it to place it right in the middle of my diamond. We have cut those units from a strip panel, then this one. We have just a simple 3.5 inch strip that we cut it to the unit right here, and we're gonna need a blue one in the bottom. I'm working with the Primrose collection. Anybody that is working with any other colors, just follow your color options and follow this basic instruction. With every video, I'm hoping to go through the diamonds with you. You're gonna notice you repeating over and over the same instruction, sewing your strip panels, but during the process there's some nice, fun, interesting thing. And diamond number 2, we're learning how to cut 2.5 inch units right there. Okay, perfect. Now, super simple. We're gonna be taking this, matching right there, okay? Right there. Little bit right here, we wanted to make sure that overlaps just tiny bit. We're gonna start stitching straight down using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Make sure that you center those units and match them really nice. Your needle and your thread should come right into that pivot where those pieces are overlapping and creating a little V right there. So stitch right down, flip it open, then go ahead and place this unit right over again, overlapping gently, stitch. As soon as you do that, you're gonna have a beautiful unit like this. You're gonna go ahead, open the seam allowances on the back, press them nicely open, and you now, all that you have to do, place this unit right down here and stitch right there. Flip it open, make sure that your seam allowance is again open. That's it for today. All that you have to do is make 7 more of the diamonds and you are ready, set, go with your diamond number 2. I always love to take my ruler, and my ruler is right here, and place over my diamond just to check, did I do a good job? Does it match really nice? And once I do that, if I need it, I will trim some of the bunny ears and then keep going, creating new diamonds and making sure that I did a good job. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for our diamond number 3. Happy quilting!